Welcome, everybody. This is the Parent Math Help session. So if you're here for that, you're in the right room. Understanding the basics. So your child will have trouble using linear relations if their multiplication and division skills are weak. So it seems to be the level at which parents who are less comfortable with math start to feel that they maybe aren't able to help their kids, and also the age at which the kids start getting attitudes and start telling their parents, you don't know what you're doing.
Math skills are pretty rusty, haven't used them a whole bunch.
Not fantastic. I've had to brush up since he started junior high.
I struggle. I don't remember some of this. It's kind of hard, so.
There's sort of 8 different subject areas within math that they...
The answer is 30. What does it mean to actually do 5 times 6?
I count by 5.
Does that make sense to you? Do you understand that? Yeah? Okay.
This is a very good example of our students being able to use the strategies that they learn in class and even the language that we're using to talk about mathematics in the teaching and learning so that they can learn how to better communicate with parents. Parents are a really major stakeholder in education, and particularly mathematics education. And we want to make sure that parents understand what we're trying to do with kids. And this opportunity provides our students with that experience so that when they come to potentially having to phone a parent about their child's mathematics experience, that they have the language to talk to the parents.
What I do is I tutor as much as I can, and I volunteer here actually to expose myself in teaching a situation, right? And even to communicate with parents. Because I believe parents need to be educated too at the same time as children is getting educated. So yeah.
So if I do this, it's so helpful for student teachers as well because it kind of allows them the opportunity to practice the skills of the trade before they're going out into practicum and graduating and all that sort of stuff. And it's definitely demonstrating the true commitment that we have to their profession as well, for sure. So.
And it's all relating to triangles, particularly right-angle triangles. So right-angle triangle is anything.
We learned how to do the Pythagorean theorem and learn a few equations and find the hypotenuse of a right-angle triangle.
I think the biggest thing I've gotten so far is that to have an identifier of like what I should be practicing with him, because he comes home with fractions and decimals and this and that, and I don't really know what I should be focusing on.
My favorite part of being a teacher, and probably the reason why I decided to be a teacher, is the light bulb moment that all educators talk about, is seeing the look on parents or children's faces when they get it for the first time. And you're like, oh yeah, that's probably the most rewarding part.